It looks like a creature from another world, but it's real. Meet the giant Chinese salamander, the largest amphibian on Earth. Here are 5 facts that will blow your mind. First, its size. These salamanders can grow over 5 feet long. Second, age. They've been around for more than 170 million years, making them true, living dinosaurs. Third, their skin. Instead of lungs, they breathe mostly through their wrinkled skin. Fourth, their voice. They can make barking, hissing, and even crying sounds to communicate. And fifth, rarity. Sadly, they're critically endangered due to habitat loss and poaching, making them one of the rarest creatures alive today. So, what do you think? Is this the strangest animal you've ever heard of? Share your reaction in the comments.